winter is finally here and I wanna go camping with the tent. I want it nice and cozy, but sadly I don't have a winter tent and my friend hasn't bought a new one, so I need a little bit to improvise. What I got here is a two cheap-ass summer tents. So the idea is put one inside another, so it's gonna be much warmer in theory. It's gonna be dark really soon. I need my flashlight. This first tent is pop-up tent, so it should be fast. Get ready! Okay, here it is. First tent and second tent. Looks great. I add a tarp in there so it doesn't snow that much inside. And inside, da-da-da, two tents. And this is clever. I have an extra storage in here between these tents. And inside, air mattress would be perfect for winters, but I don't have one, so I put a summer sleeping bag under here, and then I just go inside winter sleeping bag, so should be great. This is excellent. And if you're thinking, what about condensation? You're inside two tents and there isn't enough air. I got this thing, this bucket, and it has this, I don't know what this is, some kind of silicone or something. It's in there, and it takes all the water from the air and it goes under the bucket, so it should work. I don't know, does these kind of things work in the winter because it's minus 5 Celsius. So we'll see. Kind of cool experiment. What next? I lost my knife. I have no idea where. It's been snowing all the time and I've been walking in here. I'm in a camping area and there's nobody here. Why would they be? So it's just me. Anyways, next I'm going to make some food. There are fireplaces in there. I could get cool content, but I'm not here to impress anybody. I'm here just to have fun, so I'm gonna use this one. I'll be safe from the snowstorm here. Look at that. I'm gonna make food in there and there's table and everything. Pretty cool. I made a mistake when I was making firewood. I should take some breaks because now I'm sweating, and when you're sweating in the winter, when you're camping, that's not good. So I need to cool down, dry my clothes, and then it would be okay. What do we have here? Oh, so cold, so cold. Woo. We're gonna make the best food there is. That's right, I'm making breakfast. Yes. Okay, the dinner is served. I know that my plate doesn't look that good, but there's sausages, there's bacon, eggs, and look at this. This looks so good. And tastes good. Look at that. For dessert I have some cookies and glöggi, Christmas drink with some cranberries. I'm gonna warm this in the fire and it's gonna be great. What? Tastes like Christmas. Then Christmas cookies. Oh yeah. It's like 11 o'clock or something, and I think it's time to get bed. No way! No way! I found it! Yes! It's pretty warm in here, I think. Outside is -5 Celsius, inside is like 4, I think. I don't have any heat source here, I own a heat sources myself, so I don't know. I'll see you in the morning. Good night. Morning. I slept like a little baby. I mean, baby that sleeps well. Wasn't cold at all in here, and plus 2 Celsius inside. Double tent works. Cool. How about bucket thing? No water in there. Maybe this is a little bit moist. Do I have water inside in here? Yes. This is wet. This is wet. Okay, I don't know. Does this work at all? It's almost 8 o'clock. Still dark in here. What about this? Inside was +2 and outside is what? -5? No, -4. So, did this work? Yes. Should you do it? Probably not. Maybe just buy a one good tent instead. It's kind of hassle to carry 2 tents and put them together, so it's easier with one good tent. Then the most irritating thing is put all this together again. Ugh. The sun is finally up. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you and bye.